Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to automate MongoDB database backups using a shell script. So automating backups is crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring that you have up-to-date copies of your data in case of unexpected failures. So we will see the process of setting up MongoDB, creating the backup directory, and writing the shell script to handle the backup process. So let's see the prerequisites. First, you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have a basic knowledge of MongoDB and shell scripting. So let's move on with the practical. Our first step is install MongoDB on Ubuntu. So first, we will update the system before starting the installation process. So let's copy this command and paste it. Our package index is updated. So let's import the MongoDB public GPG. So let's copy this command and paste it. Now GPG is imported. Next, we will create a mongodb.org directory file for Ubuntu. So let's copy it. Now our file MongoDB is created. So now next reload the package index again. After reloading it, install the latest version of MongoDB using the apt-get install MongoDB origin command. This will install the latest version of MongoDB. Now MongoDB is installed. So let's reload the daemon service using the sudo systemctl daemon-reload command. After reloading it, enable the MongoDB service. Then start it. After this, let's check the status to see if MongoDB is running properly or not. For that command is sudo systemctl status mongo. So let's copy it, paste it. So as you can see, our MongoDB is active and running properly. Now our next step is set up a MongoDB authentication. For that, we will start by connecting to Mongoose using the Mongoose command. So let's copy it. Let me just open the another tab. Now we are inside connected to Mongosh. So let's run some commands in it. So first we will switch to the admin database using the use admin command. Let's copy, paste it. Now we are switched to admin database. After this, we will create a new user with username and password and the appropriate roles for that particular user. Let's copy. So now we have created the user with name first mix and we also selected the password for it. After this, exit the shell using the exit command. After MongoDB authentication, our next step is create a backup directory. So we will create a new directory named MongoDB Backup, where the MongoDB backups will be stored, and this directory will be used by the shell script to save the backup files. So let's copy this command and paste it. After creating the directory, let's run the backup script, which is our next step. So for that, first we will need to navigate to the Mongo backup directory using the shell command. So let's navigate to it. Now once we are inside the directory, let's create a shell script that will perform the backup operation. So for that, we will use the nano backup.sh command, where nano is our text editor and backup.sh is nothing but our backup script file. So let's copy this command. Now inside that file, we will write this script, which is the basic script which is used for MongoDB database backup. So let's copy the script. So here, first is your shebang line, which tells which interpreter will be using which dash. Then the next section is get current date and time for the file name. Here in the now, it's the current date and the time formatted as date, month, year in our names. Then the file name one, which is Mongo underscore beacon, saves the backup file name using the current date and time. Then backup folder. This defines the directory where backup files will be stored. Is Mongo backup, which we have created just recently. Then full path backup file one combines the backup folder path and the backup file name. Then the log file. This sets the log file path, which includes the current year and month. The next section is log the start time of MongoDB. This will start the MongoDB operation of the log file. Then perform the next section is to perform the MongoDB. Here we have given the username and password of our MongoDB, which we have created. The user we have created in the then gzip, which is for to compress the backup output. Then out specifies the output directory for the backup. Then authentication into database specifies the data authentication. The next section is log the finish time of the MongoDB. The next section is change file permission. Here we will change the owner of the backup file Ubuntu using the chown command. Then we will change the owner of the POP file to Ubuntu. Then we will log the permission changing operation to the log file. Our next section is find and delete backup files older than 1 day. This will find and delete the files in the backup folder that starts with Mongo_BK and are older than 1 day, which is specified here. Then next section is log the end of the operation. Here logs the deletion of the old files to the log file, and it will also logs the end of the backup operation and adds the separator line for the clarity right there. And lastly, we will execute the script using execute command. So let's save the file. After creating the script, for next step is changing the file permission to make it executable. For that, we will use the chmod command. Chmod plus X will make the file executable. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. I have written the wrong file. Now it's correct. Now next step is running the script. So let's copy this command and paste it. So as you can see, our script is run successfully. This indicates that the MongoDB is correctly creating the backups. You can see the timestamp when it has been successfully backup and completed. So now let's verify it's creating it correctly or not. So for that, we will list out the contents from the Mongo_backup directory. So let's do the ls command. This will list out the files and directories present in it. So as you can see, backup_log 2024_06.txt. This file has been created successfully. So let's use the content from it. For that, we will use the nano command. And let's just copy this text file and paste it here. This will open this text file. As you can see, it tells when the MongoDB started its operation, when it's finished, along with the time and date. And it also tells file permission change, old files are deleted, and when the operation finished. Today we have seen how to automate the MongoDB database backup using the shell script. So automating the MongoDB backups using shell script is a simple and effective way to ensure your data is regularly backup and secure. And by following the steps which we have seen today in the practical, you can set up the automated backup system that runs at the regular intervals, and also you can set up the system or get the logs and photo information when your data is integrated. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.